welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Ipsy bag for you guys, and we're going to see what I got for this month. See if I can get it open. There's a double-sided brush and a sparkly bag in here. But here it is, sparkly bag for May. There's our card in here. There sure is. This is what it looks like. Don't give up on your daydream. I say that all the time. I love this. Okay, so first things first is a brush. And it's a shade and blending brush. And it's super pretty. I love that it's super shiny. It matches this nail. Holographic. It's holographic. So I'm super excited to try this, and this feels really nice. It's all soft and stuff. It's by that Farrah again. I got a Farrah brush last month, I think, or the month before, so I'm excited to try this out. Next in this is this cute little, I'm guessing it's a blush maybe? Oh no, this is eyeshadow. Look at that. Super intense. Try it out. So it is really pretty. I like this color. It looks good. And this packaging is so cute. Like, look at that. Adorable. Next in here is a skin blush. It's cruelty free no matter what. I think it's Kaleido Cosmetics. So this is the cute little box that comes in. Ooh, that's pretty, and it has a little mirror in it. How adorable. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty. Like, really pretty. Look at that blush. Now that is some blush, baby. I like that a lot, actually. I'll probably wear this all the time because it's super pink, which is like my favorite. Yep, I'm super into that. Next is a Pixi Skin Treats H2O Skin Drink. It's a pure hydrating gel, intense moisturizing gel for rehydrating dry skin. Sweet. And last but not least in this little bag is a Lord & Berry crayon lipstick, and super intense. Look at that color. It's very pretty though. I like it. I like it. It's called Here and Now. So that's that. Everything's really pretty in this. This one's a little intense, this lip color, but I'm super excited about this brush, and I love all hydrating things, so this will be awesome to try. I'm really super stoked to try this blush, and this eyeshadow is really pretty. So I got eyeshadow, blush, skin hydrator, moisturizer, I guess, moisturizing gel, a brush, and a lip color. And that is everything in my Ipsy bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button over here and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you guys get Ipsy bag or not, and the products you guys got in yours, and if you like them or not, if you've tried them, all that good stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.